Basil's hair is so long that it gets on the ground when she's going to the bathroom. So today I'm going to show you how to take it shorter but still leave a natural look. I'm going to trim everything that's falling in front of the rectum and also up the back of the tail a little. I like to use curved thinning shears in reverse when doing this as it leaves a more natural finish. Then I like to comb all of the hair to one side and try to follow the shape of the outside of the thigh to the top of the hock. I like to use chunkers to get the bulk off and then go back in with thinning shears to blend it more. And then I'll do the same thing to the inside of the leg. I comb all of the hair to the inside and use the hock as a guide and try to make the inside shape match the outside. Once I'm happy with how the rear looks, I'm going to blend it into her underline. So I'm going to comb all of the hair from the inside of her leg towards her underline, and I'll use my chunking and thinning shears to blend them together. And that's how I like to do a nice natural trim on the rear of a double-coated dog.